GMGM once again, guys. This is GAYA Wallet, and GAYA will be doing their own airdrop. The other day, I released a video showing you guys that Near will be doing its own airdrop. That is Near Mobile. And for you to get that airdrop, there are some certain tasks that you need to perform. For you to know, that airdrop is going to be ending in about 9 days' time. So if you're not on it, go and hop on it. Now, the next one now is GAYA. GAYA is also doing their airdrop. GAYA said they're going to be listing in Q4 of 2025. That is any moment between now and December this year. So if you're not on this airdrop right now, go and hop on it already. But you want to do airdrop, and for you to get this airdrop, you need to accumulate some points. So if you're watching this video right now, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for GAYA Wallet, or you can check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop the link there, so you can simply pick it up and sign up. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do on this app for you to be able to earn points and for you to be able to get the airdrop successfully. Once you sign up on your dashboard, you click on this button here. Look at this button. You tap on it, and then it is going to take you to the next page. Here, you will need my referral code. So you can check the description box of this video or the comment section. I'll have pinned the code here. It's also on your screen here if you want to copy it. So you put in this code. After putting it in, it is going to take you to the next page. Sometimes it might tell you that timeout, or you might get some error or whatsoever. Just keep trying. It's going to eventually work, or you get code from another person. Once you successfully put in the code, it is going to load for a while, and then it takes you to this page. Here you can see my rank is 0 because I am just signing up on this. The first thing you want to do is to claim your welcome bonus. So you tap on that first button there. You can see I have claimed my welcome bonus successfully. After claiming this, you go to this invite friends. This is where you get to invite people, and as you can see, this is my referral code here. So this is even the code you're even using in case you want to sign up. This is the page where you get to refer, and this is also where you get to see the people that you have referred. Now, other ways to earn on this is by doing on-chain tasks. So if you come here, you can see there are several on-chain tasks here, and on-chain tasks including swap to Solana, because of course this is a Solana wallet, so it includes you to swap to Solana and do some other on-chain tasks. You can look into it. This is a social task. This second section here is a social task. Sorry, I mean the third section. Now on this page, this is where you get to do activities like following them on X, retweeting their posts, following them on Instagram, or any social task that they might probably add in the future. But before you be able to do this, you need to connect your X. That is to give them your profile. As you can see, verification required. Link your social to get started. So what I'm going to do now is to link my X, and this is what I'll do. I'm going to come to this page, and then I'm going to put my username, which is Tonio's Tech. Just in case, if you're not following me on X, go and follow me. Search for Tonio's Tech and follow me. That is where I drop most of my updates before making videos on them. So you put in Tonio's Tech, and you can see I have connected my socials successfully. So apparently, I can now go and complete that X task. If I go here now, I can click on complete task. It's going to take me to their X account where I get to follow them. Once I'm done, I simply return into my GAYA application to view other tasks that are available. The next thing I want to do is to click on this mark as complete. So while I mark it as complete, I'm going to exit this page because I think it will take time for them to go through it and do the verification. So I'm going to exit this page. But after this video, I'm going to go ahead to complete the other social task that is available there. So you complete your own immediately you're signing up on this site. It's a pretty easy and straightforward thing to do. So I'll exit this page now. So you can see these are the tasks available for you that you necessarily have to complete for you to get points that will later be converted to an airdrop for you. Now that is all about that. I can decide to add a wallet. Look at this. You need to add a Solana wallet address. For this, I'm going to be adding my Phantom wallet. So use any Solana wallet of your choice. Phantom is my favorite, so I'm going to be connecting my Phantom, but not in this video, just to show you how to go about it. The other thing you need to check is leaderboard, and this is where you get to see your ranking. Yes, this is where you get to see your ranking in terms of points and in terms of referrals. So you can see these are the list of people here. What they are basically showing is even just their referral code. But I know this number 6, that 9RA, that is Bostola on X. For those of you that are on X, that was formerly Twitter. So these are the list of people here, and you can see these are their points. If you also go to the referral section, you can see these are rewards for people that refer, people that have the highest number of referrals and the likes. Although I still think referral on this platform has a little bit of an issue because most people that have referred, they complain that they're unable to sign up and the like. So I don't know why they do it like that. Even near mobile has same issues. Yes, Near Mobile still have the same issue, but then that is basically that about that. Make sure that you sign up on this airdrop. You can see I cannot convert it now because they are not done with the airdrop. But once they are done, I'll be able to do the conversion directly in this place. The most reason why they are doing this airdrop, if you ask me, is for them to gain visibility. Probably they still want more people to join this their app. Yes, and that is why they are doing it. So if you're watching this video right now, go and sign up on it and make sure that you're on my Telegram channel to stay in touch for updates. Make sure that you're following me on my X, which was formerly Twitter. Search for Tony Tech on X. Follow me there, stay in touch for updates.